In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to Canva website. By the end, you'll have tracking set up so you can see who's visiting your Canva site and how they interact with it. Start by opening analytics.google.com and signing in. Once you're in, look for the gear icon labeled Admin, usually at the bottom left. This is where you manage your property settings. In the Admin area, open Data Collection and Modification, then choose Data Streams. You'll see options for different platforms. Select Web because we're tracking a website. Before you can create the web data stream, you need your site's URL. Open a new tab and go to canva.com. Open the design for your website so you're on the editor page. From there, use Publish Website to make sure the site is live if it isn't already. When the publishing dialog shows your site link, copy that full URL. If your site is already live, you can copy the URL from your browser's address bar on the published site. Head back to Google Analytics and paste the URL into the web stream setup. Give the stream a clear name, like your brand or site name, so you'll recognize it later. Then click Create and Continue. You'll now see installation options. Choose the option that shows you the Google tag. Copy the entire tag exactly as provided. This is the code that lets Analytics measure traffic on your site, so be sure not to edit or shorten it. Switch back to Canva. With your website design open, add a small text element to the page, click into the text box and paste the Google tag code you just copied. Because this is a visual editor and not a code editor, we're placing the tag as content. To keep it out of sight, select that text box and send it to the back so it sits behind all other elements. You can also shrink it and position it somewhere unobtrusive so it doesn't interfere with your layout. The key is that the code remains intact on the page. That's it for the placement. When your site is published, the tag content will be present, and Analytics will begin receiving data. It can take a few minutes for initial hits to show, and full reporting may take longer. Keep the tag exactly as given, and don't share your tracking details publicly. If you run into issues with data not appearing, double-check that the URL you entered matches your published site, and that the code was pasted without changes.